Transforming travel, the I-69 and I-169 extensions revolutionizing connectivity. Imagine driving on a highway designed not just to connect destinations, but entire regions, economies, and communities. The I-69 and I-169 extensions are turning this vision into reality, paving the way for faster, safer, and more efficient travel. Here's why these projects are a game changer for everyone. Nestled in Kentucky's sprawling landscape, the Purchase and Pennyrile parkways have been upgraded into Interstates 69 and 169. These once humble routes are now major players in the state's infrastructure. Their transformation highlights Kentucky's commitment to modernizing travel and opening up untapped economic and logistical potential. The I-69 extension boasts 21 miles of newly upgraded road designed for the future. From revamped interchanges for smoother traffic flow to state-of-the-art drainage systems, this $33.9 million project ensures every mile delivers safety and performance. Its focus is clear: connect people while fostering economic growth. Not to be outdone, I-169 provides a seamless 34-mile connection from Hopkinsville to I-69. This route, once limited, now opens a world of opportunities with its safe, efficient design. Whether you're commuting, transporting goods, or heading out on an adventure, I-169 makes getting there faster and smoother. Travel is about more than moving from one place to another. It's about the experience. With these upgrades, every journey on I-69 and I-169 is safer, shorter, and stress-free. Families, commuters, and truck drivers alike will notice the difference with better road conditions and fewer delays. These extended interstates aren't just roads, they're lifelines to growth. Enhanced connectivity attracts businesses, boosts regional tourism, and drives new investments. Kentucky's communities stand to gain financial and social benefits, turning the state into a hub for innovative economic opportunities. Picture your future: smoother drives, faster commutes, and a safer experience for every vehicle. I-69 and I-169 deliver on that promise. They help people reach their destinations faster while strengthening pathways to businesses, schools, and recreational spots across the state. The story of I-69 and I-169 is still being written, and you're part of it. Whether you're a traveler, local resident, or business owner, these improvements are designed with you in mind. Learn more and explore the advantages they bring to your community. Ready to make a difference? Share this story. Let others know about the transformative power of I-69 and I-169. Visit Kentucky's infrastructure development site for the latest updates and show your support for safer, smarter connectivity. Together, we're building the roads to a brighter tomorrow.